kiddos, it's Monday and I am getting the teacher vibes. But as we are on holidays, I won't teach you anything. Instead, share a trick to make those lectures interesting. Yes, let's take notes. Not the cliched way, let's sketch them. Sketch notes? Okay, first let me tell you why to use them. Sketchnote is a combination of notes, that is, your writing or lettering, and visuals, and together they make the visual map, which results in active listening, synthesizing, and imagination, enhancing your critical thinking skill and creativity. It uses both sides of your brain actively. Listen, process, and visualize.
फर्क है फर्क है फर्क है अर्ज में तू फलक है
Now, the point is, what do we need for it, right? Well, along with your notebook, a black smooth flowing pen, and some highlighters, maybe, you need to listen. But don't just listen while looking at the teacher's face, start noting them. Next, you need to use symbol shapes. Keep the major events, takeovers, etc. within containers. Use arrows to connect and stick figures and emojis for those characters. Now, let's come to the practical part. How to do it? Well, start with the heading. Then focus on the essentials and write the keywords along with some simple symbols. Do it in a way that you are building a visual hierarchy. Lastly, highlight or add colors if and when you have enough time. And if you are a stationery freak, you can always use those sticky notes. Remember, there is no right or wrong way, and it is all about ideas, not art. Now, let's bring it to application. The first chapter of Grade 11 English NCERT is The Portrait of a Lady, where the narrator and author Kushwant Singh shared his bond with his grandma along with some very important message. First, let's write the heading. Now it's grandma's time. Leave some space and place the narrator as well. Now, the story says grandma was caring, religious, and traditional. So a heart, joined hands, and a sari. We also came to know about her routine. She used to wake up early, chanted prayers, bathed, and got her little grandson ready for the school, and then accompanied him to the school with some stale chapatis for the dogs. She also used to feed the sparrows. Coming to the narrator, at the beginning he said that his grandma was as beautiful as a winter landscape in the mountains, an expanse of pure white serenity. In the village, he used to go to a school near a temple along with his grandma. And they used to have a great time together. Then when they shifted to the city, he started going to school by the school bus. This was an English medium school, and Granny felt sad as the school taught nothing religious. And slowly the besties parted their ways, physically and emotionally. And what is our takeaway? First, be kind with the older generation, and second, emotions aren't only reserved for the humans. Other living creatures are equally emotional and they need to be taken care of. And that's all for today. Before I sign off, here's a pro tip. Read and sketch as much during the vacations. Don't stay restricted to the terminal syllabus and the teacher's teaching. Keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.